In this video, you'll learn how to add a Lightbox component in your Webflow site. So in order to do that, simply click on Add Elements and scroll down to the Advanced section so you can find the Lightbox element. Now, in this case, I'm simply going to drag and drop over this component, which is essentially a containing element with a flexbox applied to center so that we can have this Lightbox centrally aligned. And as you noticed, once we go into the navigator, you're going to see the Lightbox element, which is Lightbox link, the containing element, and right beneath it, you're going to find the image. Now, the image is going to behave exactly as any image, so you can simply double click on it and choose an image which you want to have as the main Lightbox. And if you go under the settings panel, under the Lightbox, you can see that we're going to have the Lightbox link setting, which is going to essentially tell Webflow what is going to be the media which is connected to this Lightbox. So the image is going to be the call to action where the user is going to click and what they're going to see initially. And then the Lightbox link is going to be the media that is going to be connected to the actual image. So in this case, in order to maintain consistency, we're actually going to select the exact same image. Since if we go ahead and try and preview this, you're going to see that we have the base image, and once we click on it, you're going to see the same image within a Lightbox. Now, Lightbox are useful not only to show the image in a focused state within a model, but you can also add videos. So very easily add a video from YouTube, and of course you can adjust the title. So if you go back and we try and visualize this, you can see how we not only have the image, but now we also have a video which has been added right here. And then you can click and view the video. And on top of that, you can also add another image and create a gallery. So this is going to be really useful in those regards. So if we click again, we can see that now we have this mini gallery, which you can adjust also by going on right and left with the arrows. Now, one note that I have is if you want the actual Lightbox to be in a different color, because this is something that is going to be required quite often, changing the colors of the Lightbox. It's not as straightforward as editing anything in the settings panel, but you're going to need to add this piece of custom code, which can be easily added to your Webflow site. And you simply add a tag with an identifier of W Lightbox backdrop, and over here under the RGBA section you are going to need to simply adjust these values in order to reflect the color which you are specifically looking for. If you don't have the RGBA value, usually you can find it in any software, any design software like Figma or Sketch, or you can even utilize one of the calculators and live preview tools in any website that you can easily search on Google. So this is something to keep in mind. If you forget this line of code, if you don't find it anymore, you can simply easily Google how to change a Lightbox background color, and you're going to find tons of threads with this exact same line of code. So just keep this in mind. And this is pretty much it when it comes to the Lightbox. Very easy, very simple to utilize overall, and it's going to be helpful in certain instances on some websites.